Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going over how to reset your Wyze Doorbell camera in 2025. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or setting it up fresh, knowing how to reset your device can save you a lot of hassle. To start, make sure your Wyze Doorbell is powered. Then locate to the reset button. It's usually a small hole on the back or side of your doorbell. You will need a paperclip or similar tool to press it. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 up to 15 seconds until the LED lights start blinking or change color. This signals the doorbell is resetting to factory defaults. After releasing the button, give it a minute to complete the reset process. The doorbell will reboot and all your custom settings will be erased. Once reset, open the Wyze app and follow the setup prompts to reconnect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi and account. That's it. A simple way to reset your Wyze doorbell camera anytime you need it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.